Welcome viewers to the SD online classes. Here we are doing class 9 maths MBAC chapter 15 construction. Page number will be 224 in your textbook. The construction is an algorithm for making a triangle where the difference of the two sides are given, okay, with the base angle, unlike the previous one where your sum of the two sides were given. Here how we'll start is we'll start a case where AB minus AC is the case. Here AB will be greater. Of course no values are given, so you have to just imagine that there are some values and take it, and it will be short and simple. When the values will be given, it will be slightly more carefully you have to do. Suppose this is BC, whatever length you want you can choose that. BC I have taken. After that you will make a angle here which will be CBX. Suppose I am making with some some compass, and suppose that I get it like this, okay. So this is CBX. It will take some time in the real one, and after that what is the difference between them? AB minus AC will be, suppose like it is very less somewhere here, maybe it is something like usually it is small, okay, because that is the difference between the two. So this is like, okay, suppose it is here, that will be PC. That is the difference. AB minus AC is BP, and after that you are going to join these two, joining them P and C, just like previous one. PC is always meant for joining. After that you are going to do the angle bisector, perpendicular bisector of PC. Perpendicular of bisector is easy to take. Take this curl once, take this once, okay, they need to cut each other exactly like this. Now they will meet here and here because that is the point of intersection. Now when you join these two lines, when you are going to join these lines, done, where it is cutting here in the line, that is important, and that will be your A. Now once you find A, your job is only to just join A and C. Finish. I will rush to the steps of construction because we have second case as well. Steps of construction. How to do? Number 1, draw BC equal to whatever length it is given. Number 2, construct angle CBX equal to whatever it is given to you. Number 3, cut BP equal to AB minus AC. Important, okay, this step. In the real example there will be values there along BX, right? Now the fourth step is join PC. Fifth step is draw perpendicular bisector of PC which meets BA at perpendicular, which meets BX at A. So A is found here. Now number 6, join AC. Number 7, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Remember we have the second case as well where this will become AC minus AB. We will also add here. So now the second case is like this, where AB will be less than AC. That means this side will be less and this side will be longer, okay. Remember in the previous one we had this AB was very long, AB, this side, AB side was longer and AC was shorter. Now this time AB will be shorter, AC will be longer. This is this AC minus AB will be given. So we'll start from the base. This time the downside will be used. So what I'll do is I'll make very little use of the above portion because I may not use too much here. So it is like this, taken one base, I'll name it BC. After that second one is making some angle. Making some angle will be not a big deal here without the values BX here. After that third one is this XB need to be produced on this side, okay. XB need to be produced on this side, important, okay. This is the difference between the previous one and this one. here this side I'll increase it, and what I'll do is here this side BP will be this side. BP was this side, now BP is this. Suppose it is only about say it is something like 2 centimeter or whatever it is in the real example, that is AC minus AB value, you will cut it here. Okay, so that will be your BP. Okay, in the real example this value will be given. Okay, so now you are going to join these two lines. Process is almost everything same, just the direction is changed. Done. Now remember PC, we every time we are taking perpendicular bisector, here also we will do the same thing. Taking a perpendicular bisector is not difficult, you are well equipped with this. This is the one. Joining the point, these 2 points, when you join they will give you what they are going to give you. They are going to cut somewhere there in that line, long line, that BX. Okay, there is your A. Can you see? So you can easily see that AB is very short, isn't it? See, AB is less, so AB is shorter than AC. Okay, so this is how your task is all done, right? Joining has to be very, very carefully done so that it doesn't look different. Now steps of construction. What you did first, remember, first we did draw BC equal to whatever is C. Number 2, draw or construct angle CBX equal to whatever it is. Number 3, what you did, cut BP equal to AC minus AB along where? Along BX extended. Okay, BX extended this side to P. BX is extended and it is cut as BP. Now what is the next step? Next step is join PC. Done, this was joined. Number 5, draw perpendicular bisector of PC. Done, which cuts BX at A, isn't it? Or you can write PX also, BX at A. Now next step is join AC. Next step is triangle ABC is the required triangle. Done, you made this triangle visible. Now just to look, ensure it, AB is less than AC. So this type of question will look like this. Okay, the triangle will be like this. Thank you.